Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create header on first page only and footer on last page only. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document and we can see here many pages. Now we want to create header only the first page and footer only the last page. Go to the second page, then click right button on our mouse and select the insert section. Then go to the last page, then click right button on our mouse and select the insert section. Then go to the first page, then go to insert menu and select the header option. Then write the header text. Then click the add master page option. Then select master page B. Then go to the footers option and insert the footer text or write. Then close the master page. Then go to the second section and select the whole page. Press shift on our keyboard and select the second section all page. Then click right button on our mouse and select the master pages option and select none. Then zoom out this document and we can see here not available the header or footer. Then go to the first page. Then click right button, go to the master pages option, select the master page A. Then go to the last page. Then click right button, select the master pages option, select B. Then we check this all page. Here available the footer only last page, then go to the first page and here available the header only first page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.